Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by choosing a comfortable pen and a slight right slant. Draw a faint guideline and warm up with continuous loops to tune wrist motion. Now form a lowercase cursive by beginning at the midline, making a small counterclockwise loop down to the baseline, then return slightly up to connect. Focus on fluid motion, not force. Maintain even spacing between letters. Once you've repeated the several times, prepare to link it to the next letter smoothly. You next link the into L by extending a thin upstroke to the midline, then sweep into the tall L with a soft loop at the top for flow. After L, carry the exit stroke toward Y, drop below the baseline with a controlled loop, curving back up into a short connector. For the double S, make two compact, flowing S shapes that mirror each other and maintain consistent height. This keeps rhythm and legibility. Make sure to breathe and relax your wrist as you work through these transitions. You complete Alyssa by linking the final S into the ending A. Use a gentle entry stroke that closes the loop and finishes with a slight flourish if wanted. Check spacing. Letters should align to slant and baseline with consistent midline height. If letters feel cramped, widen connectors. If they run long, shorten exit strokes. One troubleshooting tip: when joins look messy, slow your pace and redraw just the connector strokes until motion feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.